What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Darius 3 times, and I'm back at it again with another banger video, man. And today's video, I don't know what's really gonna be planned, but I decided to pick the camera up because Kyle Walker just copped a new V. If he dropped his video yet, look. I ain't lie, bro. That joint sound crazy, but he pulled up. We about to wash our cars, and we probably do some more stuff. But like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and yeah, that's about it. Bro, how does it feel like to be officially a Beamer owner? Like, you own this, bro. Like,
that's what it, bro.
all right, so tell YouTube like what's done to it, cause you ain't dropped no video yet because you been a butt. All right, go ahead and explain.
So I got the downpipe tuned, upgraded charge pipe, upgraded fuel pump, and relocated inlets. Right?
Yep. Yeah.
Bro, damn near got a turn down.
That's you. Young boy getting me right.
Yo, shit. Yo, shit. Shit. I can't even do it.
Relocated. All right, so explain, bro. Explain, bro.
So, like, you know, we got a
little what?
Yeah.
Brr.
So, you know, it's the, you know, relocation. Sorry.
That joint hot, bro. You was speeding, bro.
Not even.
You was speeding in Mexico?
I wasn't even driving in Maine.
So you was speeding in Mexico?
I know, man. I can't even see this.
Look at that. The 5.0.
Yo, that's the guy.
Yeah.
That shit loud. Yo, let's race.
Let's see if you do a pull.
Yo, let's race.
Alright, so we about to get the V's, right? And I'll probably cut the cam back on when I'm done, because y'all don't want to watch me vacuum, I don't think. So I'm going to cut the cam back on when I'm done. So. But what about the 335s? So they fast?
What you think? No, it's not fast. So you see, I'll probably need some new tires soon.
Probably.
Need to clean the tires. I fuck with the wheels, though.
You think G ain't going to fall back in the seat?
No, probably not. It's low.
I gotta be my car lower.
Bro, yes, bro. You need the springs.
All right, bro. I need your help building it.
What, putting the springs on? I don't know how to do that. No, you gotta go to
school. You gonna learn?
No, I'm not. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be lopsided, bro. I'm telling you. Chill.
Sound a dude.
That shouldn't be scary.
Make a nigga go boom. Run up on me, nigga, hit his ass with the shroom. look too good for school, boy.
Bro, you behave, bro.
Yo, you tripping.
You look too good for school.
Bro, you tripping. You're gonna sit in the trunk though.
I mean, that's fine.
Be in the back seat.
You got like a belt?
Why would I have a belt?
You got a belt?
So I can hold myself if he accelerating fast.
Like a pants belt?
You're gonna be in.
You don't got a pants
You don't
belt?
gotta be in his car to get rollers though. You gonna be in a different car.
What car I'm gonna hang out of?
Any car.
Can't be too loud because then it's gonna intercept the noise of his car. You know, you gotta.
It could be this, bro.
That car's loud.
While I'm driving, this is not loud, bro.
That's the quietest car we got.
Yeah.
It is.
Why don't we just get in the van?
That's louder than us. Like what? You had a door open in the back.
Turn that bitch to the bang bus.
Bang bus.
It's easy money. That's easy money.
No, what do you mean by that?
You gonna be the first. You gonna be the first one.
What you
No,
mean?
Luke gonna be the
Victim
first
one.
actor. Victim one.
I don't.
So look, gas station flicks tonight at Royal Farms.
Flicks?
Gas station flicks. Let me see how I look.
Fashion flicks or like?
Man, I don't look that bad.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, y'all? So I just got a Beamer or whatever. Sometimes with a Beamer, it don't work. So I don't even know.
It really don't be working. But y'all, we just let it sound alarm.
Do a video. Do a video of it.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, we could do your first car vid today, bro. What you mean? What you want to have, like something updated on or something?
No, I need a glizzy real quick. I need a hot dog. I need a hot dog. Can't go nowhere without one.
You want that?
Whoa.
At what price?
Bro, get the cheeseburger bite, bro.
Would you say that a glizzy is just overpriced?
Cheeseburger bite.
I'm thinking $3. I'm not paying $3 for it. They just rolling.
Cheeseburger bite.
That is disgusting. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, y'all, as you can see, we got Zoball in front of us. Just doing car things in a car day, you know? Got Tice holding the camera right now. Yeah, you know, he's been, a black beetle in the city. I have no clue where we're going. I'm just following Zod right now. I'm turning as soon as we get there. Right.
Drop top. Damn, is he turning? Yo, put your seatbelt on.
I'm sorry, bro.
I can't speed.
Sound of doom.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hear that turbo, boy? You hear that? I know you hear that, boy. Yo, look at that bump. I know you hear that, boy. I know you hear that, boy.
I'm just a content creator. I'm just a content creator. I'm just a content creator. Bro, explain to like where we at though, like.
You saying this shit like we went on a magical adventure, nigga. Yeah.
Yes, we are, bro. Yo, y'all trying to play ding dong ditch but with niggas' cars?
What? Fuck you want, dog?
Nah, like we gonna see, like we gonna know the inside the car, right?
Play ding dong ditch with you.
Ding dong ditch with me. Okay, yeah, that's what I cut the camera off for a second. Bro.
Yeah.
So we breaking stuff today?
We doing what?
We trolling and we breaking shit today?
Break this dick in your mouth.
Alright.
Where the police at? Why wouldn't you say that?
Got you on camera too.
You saw what?
Got you on camera saying that.
Well, if you don't cut this out, then your shit will get censored. So now what?
Alright.
Get demonetized, then take your video down. Now what?
You didn't want to, yeah, bro, just for like 5 minutes, bro. Damn, I sure.
Let's make sure they work. Let's make sure they work.
Huh? It's gonna say REC. That's recording. Dang. Y'all ready to run?
Bro, I'm not running. Bro, give me, bro. Give them to me, bro. Let me make this one. Yo, bro. Bro. I could drop the whole thing, bro. Low-key kind of nervous.
See, I did it. I just dropped the whole bag.
I don't know.
Just dropped the whole bag.
Huh?
What should we do it?
Huh?
Wait, nigga, over here. Right there in that section. We need to record.
Damn. Wait. Let me get to the other side. Let me get. No. Go through there. Go there. I'm gonna go through there. Go around. You go through there. Wait. Oh, shit. Come on. What? Bro, he just threw at an old man, bro. He just threw the pop things at the old man, bro. Now I gotta go find him. Bro, God damn. Bro, you hit him mad, bro.
That nigga's trolling.
No, I'm talking about the guy you told about the first time. He was like, what the fuck was that?
I don't want to do an old lady because what she have a heart. I see me nigga back here. Come on.
Wait. Oh shit. Bro. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Yo.
He looked up.
I don't know.
Tired of this school.
Jump on that bit. Yo, this nigga's tripping.
My lighter not light.
This nigga's tripping. Yo, what are you doing? Bro, this nigga's tripping. Oh, there. He working there. Oh shit. Excuse me. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro. Yo, the man was like, what the F is that? Bro, yo, this nigga threw him in the bathroom. The nigga was like, who the fuck is this? Nigga was like, what the fuck is that?
I'm taking that shit.
Bro.
Imagine taking stuff. You could do this.
Nigga was like, the fuck? Oh, okay.
They try to do a trip.
Yo.
They try to do a trip. What y'all want? What y'all want me to do?
You can get more than 100,000 out enough, 200,000 out enough. I show you why it's popping up.
Kind of fever.
All that shit.
I gotta catch up.
Yeah, you can get more than you know. Yes. 50,000 not enough, 20,000 not enough. Nigga had the wise enough. I got some shit more than shit. Nigga. Yeah. But
let me hear something.
Reseal.
Get in front of me. Get in front of me. I don't know where I'm going.
Y'all, Colin just got the Beamer, bro. Yo, I'm gonna put his Instagram in the bio, bro. Y'all go spam his DM, tell him drop that car video, bro. Bro, cause he keep bluffing. He need to drop the vid. He just got to. Like y'all see, I got the Mazda Easy. Like the SRT Mazda. You feel me? 900 horsepower stop. I don't even got a supercharger, but it's still an SRT. Still an SRT. That's what I'm saying, bro. If you don't think this is an SRT, I don't even know, bro. Just hop off, bro. If you don't even think this is an SRT for real, dummy. Cause you know we had the light for real, and we just waiting for it to turn green. You feel me? I had to slam on the brakes because some idiot wasn't trying to turn. You feel me? And I'm like, you know, I'm Dom Toretto on the low. Oh yeah, that light green. But I gotta let Kyle get in front of me.
You're gonna go?
I'm so slow, bro. POV drive, cause why not? La POV. La POV. Yo, I should do a video. I should drive my mom car for a video. The AMG.
Yeah. She watch you. How she gonna watch you?
Oh, we need to get my man's hardest Q50 in the video. Him and Colin, once he get his car right, him and Colin gotta do that race.
You're gonna lose.
Bro, my man's Greg not gonna lose, bro. I don't think. Yeah, but my man's car finally caught that 335, man. I'm gonna show you more of it for sure when we get to that place. But he caught that 335 today. So, dang! Okay, shot! Go ahead, that shit bumped me, didn't he?
Yeah, I had to turn on the aperture.
I don't know. I just record, so. Dumbass fucking thing. Well, alright, y'all, I'm gonna tune back in as soon as we hit the mechanic shop, bro. I'm out. Dang, boy. BMW problems.
Chill. Don't hate.
Yo, this nigga shit cooked. What the
I don't
fuck?
even know, bro. That shit was just working.
So that's why he gave it to him. How much you get this for?
I know.
Look at that, they're lifting the car up.
Decent out.
Yo, I got it, but like, look.
You don't got it.
I'm ready to get this fried.
Fucking technician gotta do.
Ugh. Yo, Tice, take care of that, bro. You got it, man.
Oh yeah, he ready to lift the car up.
I think you gotta use both hands. What are you doing?
Use both hands, bro.
What are you doing, dude?
You ain't Hercules.
Still look, it's right. Yo, hold it, right here. Come on, Tice. You ready to do this at the same time, bro. Yes. Oh, what the fuck? Like, if you heard it pop, bro.
I heard this shit pop.
It popped. It gotta be something stuck, bro.
Bro, it was open when we was there. Like, I swear to God.
Yo. Cause I seen the part, right?
You think niggas was hating on you in the village? Niggas saw you got a nice car and just like,
You gotta hold the trunk.
I'm not even gonna lie.
Alright, nothing.
I was like, when I was, it opened like 2 days.
it's like moving, but it's
like,
not.
it was open.
It's not coming up.
Like, it was open perfectly. Like, I don't know how.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, look, oh, there you go. Hold on.
Pull.
That is not open.
That shit not.
Can't get in it from the inside.
Not like I'm guessing like if we had like
You see, like, the middle right here? Look, if you probably had something, I'm trying to, like,
Pick it up.
Hold on.
Dig deep. In all them inner feelings.
No, this shit is not coming up, bro. I'm trying to put my knee right here.
Oh nah.
This shit not coming up. Yeah.
It's cut.
That shit not open, bro.
why y'all stay in the office? Like, y'all just want to talk. Y'all want to hear it, so. That's cool, bro. When you look on the video, you're gonna be like, damn, I look dumb and I sound dumb. You gonna know, bro.
You gonna know?
Growth, bro.
Shit's possible.
I'm probably not even gonna want to watch the video. You already know he sound dumb. How do you think you look right now?
oh, if I break this, bro, I ain't paying for it.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
540 ain't like this, bro.
Come on, bro.
Unless you want to take your seats out, so you be no backseat warriors.
They really gonna have to coop down, basically.
Yeah, you want a coupe? I can get a coupe.
Oh, bro, no.
I got the seats back in.
Would have just got the coupe, bro.
Nah.
Sit out here.
You would have had the coupe, bro. You had to worry about this. Shit, right
You
there.
ready to do this bitch tonight, bro. What you ready to be tonight, bro?
I'm ready to get off. Like, ready to get off. What you ready to get off at 4?
It's too
Nigga,
hot,
you
bro.
had a customer since 10:30, bro.
It's too hot for this, bro. Like, it's too hot, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all far as shit. Y'all all the way out here.
Foot Locker. Y'all trying to go cop some heat?
Go cop some heat and I guess. You cop some heat, dummy, and unless.
Shit, ain't no point in copping no more heat. It's already too damn hot.
Got some heat, man. Heat wave.
They got the tools up. Uh-oh.
Man, stroke.
How you feeling?
Bro, I just want the thing to work. Like,
Man, stroke.
bro, I'm surprised they don't got, like, you can't get in it from there. Well, maybe you can. You just gotta take the thing up.
You can't get it started fucking moving.
Oh, you got it.
Yo,
Wait, what is this?
you dead ass B?
Oh, it's like screw all the way in there.
Oh, nah, bro. Ain't no getting through that.
Yeah, ain't gonna get into this shit.
I'm surprised they don't got, like,
This car just don't want you in the trunk.
Car don't want.
Let me try.
Car Decepticon. Let
me try.
What you right, dude?
Muscle man. Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Watch this.
What? Darius, you not stronger than me, bro. And if I didn't lift it, what make you think you lifting this? It's not coming up, Darius. Bruh. gave it all you had, bro. Bro, just remember when I laid my head down that night. Just know I gave it all I gave it all I had. You gave it all you had.
This car just don't like us, bro. We just gotta come to reality.
Us? What you mean us?
Him?
Car been set the car. This shit's not open.
Right here. Product.
I had the latch.
Y'all.
I got the pop shit.
Oh, hell. Yo, y'all already know who it is. It's your boy Lil Scooter back at it again.
Go Darius.
Lil Scooter.
Go Darius.
Scooter.
Alright, they gonna kill you just like they did him. You get crushed.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Alright. Start calling yourself Lil Scooter. You're not. You not.
Bet you know.
You're not the hood hero.
I bet you know.
You're not the hood hero.
I bet you know.
You're not the hood hero.
I am the hood hero.
Go.
The hood won't do nothing wrong.
No problem.
Just give me the tank, bro.
That joint got massive. What kind of bed should I get? But they got that blueberry fuego. Oh no, that's cotton candy. Cotton candy fuego.
Shit, cool.
You think this good?
Shit, that's what lucky we use.
You trying to get a lucky gut?
This shit.
I mean, I already got one.
This shit ready to die.
Let me see.
Shit on one bar.
What did he got? I know. Cam about to die, y'all, but we gonna record till this joint dead.
Cause he dropped that perk in his drain.
Bro, they don't got the watermelon joint, dummy.
They got the mango, nigga, get that. The watermelon is right there. You just had your hand on it.
This?
No, the one right next to it. That's watermelon.
I mean, not the pink bottle.
Oh.
What's the pink bottle? I don't know. I don't know what the pink bottle is. But, man.
Get the Calypso.
No, y'all don't know about these. That's exactly what we're about to get. Chop fantasy. Oh, yeah.
What about me? The cameraman.
Buy it, bro.
I'm not.
You rich.
But the cameraman is brute.
If y'all don't know, Tice drives a GLE 63.
I make a living off of recording for this nigga.
Alright, so like, what kind of candy though, like? Or should I get like something over here? What should I get?
Alright, so let's do it from my point of view. Good. Look at me.
What should I get? Bro, what should I get? Oh no, look at these. Cop will drop.
Drop that shit.
Bro, but it got like, it says look, salt inside.
Watermelon. Alright, nigga, you like your soft inside?
2 flavors and 7? Oh my god.
You like your soft inside? Depends on
Oh, they got
what you
slushies
like.
though.
Yeah, one get one.
Slushies or chocolate fantasy?
Shit, get me one.
What about the tank?
Slushy.
Slushy?
Yeah.
Alright, put that back. Or you want it? Nah, just put it back. We gonna get
You
slushies.
charge later?
Chat, I'm gonna go put it back. Nigga think I'm a servant. So you know we putting this bitch back anywhere. We do not care. We put this bitch up.
Okay, what's this?
Got Tiffany at it.
This shit good, boy. So what's kind like? What should we get, like a mixture?
Yeah. I feel like we gotta get the Oh, you're getting all the mixture. Oh, why it's coming out like that? I don't like that. I don't like that one. Oh no, I don't like that, cuz. Why it's coming out like that?
Just mix it in a little bit and you get some of these.
Okay. You get some of that what? I don't know about wild strawberry. I don't know about that.
Just, let's top it off back with this.
Yeah.
Alright, back. You feel me? Right?
Alright.
And you gotta get a lid, right? Oh, drop the stuff. You drop the stuff. You drop the stuff. You feel me? You gotta get your lid. You gotta put it on there like this.
Hold up.
Damn, boy. And you gotta get your straw, right? And then like that. Then you taste it.
Chat, y'all tell him that his cameraman needs something to drink too. His cameraman is dying of thirst. It's good.
Alright, go ahead, get whatever you want, bro. Whatever you want. Get whatever you want.
Alright, so which one did you get?
It don't matter.
I don't know which one you
The
got.
bottom, probably. Get whatever you want. Okay, so Fanta.
Ooh, look how it come out.
Ooh. You gonna fill the whole thing up with that?
No.
What else you get? Jolly Rancher slush. Kill him. Ooh.
Linger it all.
Let me see. What it tastes like. That's that shit. You ugly boy.
You can't have a moment by yourself when a camera not on. You just recording too much.
And you not recording enough. Yup. Now what? Now say something. Yup. You ain't gonna do nothing. Tell you why? Cause you just not. Cause you scared of me. Boy. And look at him. But what's up with that earpiece, bro? Lucky gut.
Dang, Mike, no shirt. Dang, no meat. What is that?
Go first, madam.
Damn, bro, I tried. What the fuck are y'all niggas?
I tried her to get here, bro.
Bro, what the fuck? Get the fuck. Give me your hand.
Get the fuck off this shit, nigga.
Bro, unball your fist. You being unladylike. Unball your fist. Bro. Oh, alright, she independent. She independent. She independent.
She independent is crazy work.
You want close to damn, girl.
I like your outfit. Can I get a 360?
Oh my God, girl, you don't want to let.
Can I get a 360?
You my type little shit.
You said you ain't got nothing to get food. Oh no. $6? Oh yeah. Got my eats though. Alright YouTube, I'm back home as y'all can see. God dang, this light is crazy. But I just made it back home. I'm in my bathroom right now. And it's like, it's late now, I ain't gonna lie. I forgot to pick the camera back up, but it is 10:03. As you can see, it's 10:03. And I'm about to go to sleep. Yo, I'm tired, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe at the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, all the socials. Comment consistent Darius in the comments down below. Try to get this video to like, bro, to get this video to 20 likes, bro. 20 likes, bro. That's all you gotta do, 20 likes. And that's all I gotta say, man. And stay tuned for the streams. I'm gonna put my Twitch in the description. Y'all go tune into the Twitch where you start streaming, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I already said, I'm out. Peace.